Hey, I wanted to show you a big part of our drama is a plane crash this year, and I wanted to show you how we made this work. And it turned out to be pretty simple. With just a little bit of engineering, we're able to make a plane crash through the rainforest. Okay, so of course, we love to do everything on cardboard. You may not always use cardboard, but that's how we like to do things. So we painted up just the nose of a plane. On cardboard, we made it look damaged, like it had just gone through some bushes and the windshield is cracked and a little part of the plane here is missing. And we mounted it onto some rails and stuff, so let's come around back to see what we did back here. All right. So here's our plane. Of course, we have our big wall of like a bush in front of it. And of course the cardboard's not very sturdy, so we actually added a piece of Coroplast behind it and also a little piece of wooden Luan. This is just really thin plywood. Sometimes it's called underlayment plywood. You can get that at any of the stores, any of your home improvement stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever. Then what's down here, it's actually a piece of U-channel steel. It's called Unistrut. All right, and this stuff's available at the home improvement stores as well. And what's actually allowing this to roll back and forth are these little rollers back here. I have two Unistrut rollers, and they fit in this U-channel. There's some little wheels down here that roll back and forth in the U-channel. These are actually for this is actually designed to be upright, and those are supposed to be hanging down, and maybe they have like a curtain rod. So think of this as like a heavy-duty curtain rod, except we've turned it upside down. Okay, instead of a curtain hanging under it, we have an airplane just sitting above it. So these little rollers are bolted through the cardboard, through the Coroplast, and through this little thin piece of wood. Okay, and we have those positioned towards the back of the plane. When the plane is in its rear position, nobody can see it. There's a big wall there. And then as the sound effects play in that part of the drama, it's very simple for one person just to be hiding back here. And they slide the plane out. We have a screw right here that keeps those rollers from sliding all the way out. And then our plane can stay there all week long. And so that little U-channel is just screwed to some support boards here. We also incorporated a fog machine. We got this fog machine just from like the party store, you know, or those Halloween stores that sell all this stuff. These are great. They're not that expensive. And when the plane crashes, we hit the smoke, we hit the sound effects, the plane comes crashing in. It makes it pretty cool for the kids. And then it can easily go back whenever we're done with it. And so that's a big part of the drama. Come up with a cool way to make that plane kind of slide in. Some people, you might just want to mount it to like a cart and push it in. But something like this allows it to be very permanent, very strong, and you know it'll last you your whole week at VBS.